Alright guys, we are at Walmart and we're going inside to look for the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Sharks vs. Dinos. Let's see what we can find. Alright, here we are. And I found one. We have the 5 alarm Sharks vs. Dinos. Let me see if there's any other ones. We have Rageosaurus at home. Let's take a look at him real quick. Alright, so we'll put that one right there. There's another one back there, and another carbonator. Gunkster. There's a tiger shark. And that looks like it. Alright, we found one. See you guys next time.